Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Fatimah Zuhra binti Maisa and my serial number is M132. So today I would like to present about the business plan for Clean For You cleaning service. This part shows us what I will explain furthermore in the next slide later on. Clean House For You is a sole proprietorship company which provides cleaning service. The company is located at Alor Star Kedah. It was a new company that established on the 5th February 2021. Our manager used her own investment into the business as the capital, which is 367,500 Malaysian ringgit to open the business service. Our business is the most excellent cleaning service even though it is a new business which provides affordable and flexible price to our customer. For your information, cleaning service is the most demanding service by people and organizations out there. So, our business focuses on someone who has career and doesn't have time to clean their house. Another one is for the building which need our cleaning service. For example, office, mall, hospital and other places which required our cleaning service. Next, how to use Clean For You service. If the customer want to use the cleaning service, the first step is by making appointment. They can make appointment by using our Clean For You apps or our website and also by calling our customer service. The next step is our service team will go to the customer's house and provide the cleaning service. The third step is when the cleaning service have done, the customer can make the payment by online payment, cash and using debit or credit card. The last step is the customer can give rating via apps or website with our service provide. For market analysis, Clean For You has discovered 4 types of market segmentation. The first one is geographic segmentation. Clean For You choose the area which have more high-income people in there, so the service can easily reach the prospect. The second one is demographic segmentation, which contains someone who has career and doesn't have time to manage their house chore. And after that, for the building or office that doesn't have their own cleaning service. The third segmentation is psychographic segmentation. The prospect have health problem like asthma and rhinitis problem. The service is suitable for people with income more than 2,500 ringgit or M14 people. The last one is behavioral segmentation. The customer who have experience or already get our service and the customer who has satisfied with our service provided. For sales and marketing strategy, our business has used 3 types of medium to advertise our service. The first one, Clean For You distribute the flyers in our nearest area. The second one, advertise through the radio. And the last one is by social media like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Clean For You also give the customer discount and rebate as a token of appreciation for their loyalty. The first one is seasonal discount, which during the low demanding, we will reduce the price of services. The second one is cash discount, which we give 5% discount when the payment made within 5 days of invoice date. And the last discount is rebate, which is cash refund given to customer during specific period. As you can see, this is the SWOT analysis for Clean For You cleaning service. For competitive analysis, The first one is company's unique capabilities and differentiator. Clean4U is the cleaning service that provides our customer with the trained workers. We will train all the employees within 3 weeks for the workers to capable to provide the services to our beloved customer. Our service is really convenient, which is the customer can access to purchase the service via our website and apps. If there are any problem with the service, our customer service will help out the problem faced by the customers. The second one is company's special sustainabilities and competitive advantage. We will connect with our customer through email. Besides that, Clean4U built our own apps, which is easier for the customer to keep in touch with us and to get the cleaning service. We also will provide the customer with the best discount ever and offer an affordable price to the customer. For company management team, our team is capable in handling the business. This is because all our workers have many experience in working, so they can implement all their experience in the organization in effort to develop our business to the international level. Besides that, the service worker also face a hard training to develop their skill required. This is because Clean4U want our teams working with all their heart and did the work well without default. In future, we would like to hire more employees working with us. For financial section, we have estimate for year 1, there is 276,500 ringgit. For year 2, Clean4U have 252,250 ringgit. And for year 3, there is 251,900 ringgit. As you can see, there is decreased trend in net income. This is because there is increase in price, which is salaries expense, utilities bill expense, equipment service, advertising, petrol, and also insurance. In conclusion, Clean4U cleaning service will turn out to be the most needed service for the upcoming years. We hope that our cleaning service will be demanded by customers regularly, so that Clean4U will be known by the country and also can enter the global market to compete in a healthy way with other cleaning services around the world. That's all from me. Thank you.